Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the PhD entrance test from one of the state university. And here the few highlights are also mentioned here. The total 644 vacant seats are there from the 34 subjects. And the candidates, whoever the qualified, the UGC NET or the CSIR NET, those candidates are exempted from the entrance test. So they can directly go for the interview. And it is an online entrance test, guys. Okay, it is not the offline entrance test. So online entrance test means in this pandemic situation it will be very much beneficial to you. And coming to the minimum eligibility condition to apply for the PhD program in the state university is only post graduation. Okay, so the candidates who are looking for the PhD admissions in the state university, I think it will be the wonderful opportunity and you can utilize, guys. And from all over the India, if you belongs to any state, then no problem. Other than this home state, you can apply for this one. So utilize this opportunity. And I'm requesting you to please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the PhD admission notifications. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more videos like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this PhD notification from. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET exam, the free online classes are provided for the paper 1 as well as for the electronic science on the Unacademy platform, and the link I kept in the description box of this video, so you may check down, guys. And while coming to the paid courses are also available on the Unacademy to crack the UGC NET JRF. So here the 6 different types of courses are currently running on this one. The regarding this one, the details I kept in the description box of this video and the links also I kept, so please check down those. While coming to the present content of the video, so it is the official website of the Solapur University. Okay, so PAH Solapur University, and from this one here the PET registration as well as the MA or MSc entrance examination registration, so both these two are happening here. So here I'm going to show you the PhD entrance test registration. Fine. So everything, details, advertisement and the schedule, all these things I'm going to show you here. So while coming to the advertisement, okay, that you may check down in this PDF. Online application for PAHSUS PET 8 2021, the entrance examination for the PhD program. Online applications are invited from eligible candidates for the above entrance examination. The details of research guides and the seats available are uploaded on the university website, and the online application forms and the relevant details are made available in the official website. So it is a link, okay, that will be activated from 12th July 2021 to 7th August 2021. So still few more days is that, so all the interested candidates may apply to this one, and I will provide the official website link in the description box of this video. So from that official website you will get all the links regarding the advertisement, schedule, examination schedule and the timetable, guidelines, instructions, all these things you will get. Okay, so the next one, coming to the schedule, commencement of advertisement and the commencement of online application 12th July. The closing date of online application form is 7th August 2021, and the display of admit cards in candidates login 5 days before the examination. The date, time of online PET PhD entrance examination for paper 1 and paper 2. So coming to the paper 1 common for all, 17th August 2021, and the special paper as per your core subject 18th August 2021. Display of answer key 20th August. Objections if any 25th August. Final display of answer key 26th August. And the display of PhD entrance examination result 30th August 2021. Fine. So it is the examination schedule, guys. And before going to the rules, regulations and all these things, so first of all I want to show you the departments. Why? Because if this if you belongs to these departments, then you may further proceed the video, otherwise you may stop the video here itself. So coming to the faculty humanities, Marathi, here you may check down the guide as well as the number of vacancies, guys. Okay, both these two you may check down. Next one is Hindi, and coming to the next subject, English, and the next one Kannada and history and economics, and after the economics AIHC and A, and political science and psychology, sociology and Prakrit, philosophy. And coming to the commerce management and accountancy, you may check down here, total 11 vacancies are there, and the business economics. And coming to the education department, okay, so you may check down here, the total 58 vacancies are there, and the library and information science 9 vacancies, journalism and mass communication 1 vacancy, physical education 41 vacancies, social work 7 vacancies, and biotechnology 21 vacancies, and next one botany 15 vacancies, and chemistry 25 vacancies, and civil engineering 3, and electronics 1, and electronics and telecommunication 16, and environmental science 2, and geography so 65 vacancies, and mathematics 3 vacancies, and mechanical engineering 20, microbiology 4, pharmacy 17, and physics 18, statistics 8, zoology 21. So total these are the departments. Fine. So if you belongs to these departments, then you may proceed this video. So proceeding this video means I will show you the application fee and all here. So coming to the application fee, 1200 rupees for the open category and 800 rupees for the reserved category. Fine. And coming to the rules and regulations. So here all admissions for PhD program shall be made through the PET only. And interaction conducted by the university authorities, and the candidates who are qualified with NET, SET or SLET or GATE, okay, and senior citizens and candidates of foreign nationality are exempted from appearing the PhD entrance test. The merit list of PhD admissions shall be prepared as per the eligibility criteria of the respective programs. However, it is not mandatory for such candidate to avail such exemption. He or she may appear for the PET for admission. Fine. So NET, SLET or SET or GATE qualified candidates are exempted from this one. And SLET or SET means Maharashtra SET, guys. Okay. And the candidates qualified with the NET, SLET or SET GATE in concerned subject need not appear for the entrance test, but you have to pay the requisite fees, and the marks obtained by such candidates in the PG degree in the concerned subject will be considered for the preparation of merit list. Okay. So these are all the few more rules and regulations are given here. So you please check down, guys. And one more point I want to show you here, 70% of the PhD admission seats are reserved for the home university candidates, and only 30% of admission seats are available for the other university or the other state candidates. Okay, that point you may check down here clearly. Fine. So these are the things that I want to show you, guys, the departments and each and everything. So you once go through the official website of this one and get all the complete results. Okay. So I'm requesting you to please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the PhD admissions in the government college or the state university. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more videos like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So from the Unacademy side, if you are interested, you may continue the video, guys. Otherwise, just stop the video here itself. Thank you. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the national eligibility test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you. educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on this see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with the doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of these different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, and this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF, and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay, so based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF.